Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 3 sites where you can get best Bloxflip promo codes. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your preferred web application. The first working promo code website we have is wethrift.com. Here you can simply type in Bloxflip and it will show you all the promo codes that it has to offer. Just like so. And number second, we have Ship the Deal. Here simply type in Bloxflip and tap on Go. First of all, tap on Show Coupon Code, tap on Copy Code. Now the third website we have is, at the search bar type in KRNL promo code. It will show you promo codes for August. Tap open the first link. Here scroll below and copy the code and redeem it under Bloxflip app or website. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.